Hello children, hi, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Myself, Mrs. Srishti, your computer teacher. Students, as you all know, due to this pandemic of coronavirus, we are unable to continue our studies in school. So, we have started now virtual online video studies. So through this video we are going to start our very first topic of the computer, that is parts of the computer. Through this video we will learn about the different parts of the computer. First I'll tell you what is a computer. Computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity. It never gets tired and always gives accurate result. So computer is an electronic machine. It works on electricity. Now we will study different parts of the computer. Number 1, monitor. This is monitor. What is this? Monitor. Monitor looks like a television. Monitor looks like a television. Spelling of monitor. Repeat after me. M-O-N-I. Moni. T-O-R, monitor. Repeat. M-O-N-I, moni. T-O-R, monitor. This is a picture of monitor. Number 2, this is CPU. This is CPU. This is a picture of CPU. CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. As we all have a brain, same as computer is also having its own brain, that is CPU. Full form of CPU is C for central, P for processing, U for unit. Repeat. Central Processing Unit, CPU. Come to the next part of the computer, keyboard. There are many small buttons on the keyboard. As you all are seeing here, there are many small buttons on the keyboard. These buttons are called keys. These buttons are called keys. There are many keys on the keyboard. This is a keyboard. With the help of keyboard, we can type alphabet, numbers, etc. Spelling of keyboard, K-E-Y, key. B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. Repeat. K-E-Y, key. B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. This is a picture of keyboard. Come to the next part of the computer. This is mouse. What is this? Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It helps to point or select object in the computer. With the help of mouse, we can select the object in the computer. Mouse has 3 buttons. How many buttons does the mouse has? 3 buttons. 1, 2 and 3. Mouse has 3 buttons. Spelling of mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Again, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. This is a picture of mouse. These are speakers. With the help of speakers, you will be able to listen to the music which is playing inside the computer. If there will be no speaker, you will not be able to listen that music which is playing in the computer. Spelling of speaker, S-P-E-A, K-E-R, speaker. Repeat. S-P-E-A, K-E-R, speaker. Students, I hope through this video you all have understood the different parts of the computer. Now listen very carefully as I am going to explain you how you have to do the computer home assignment in your fair notebook. So take out your computer notebook and keep your pencil ready. First, on the top of the page, write your name, class, section. Next, write 10th assignment. Spelling of assignment, assignment. Assignment. Write in capital. Come to next line. Mention the date here. In whichever date you are doing this computer work, mention the date here. Then write H dot W dot. Come to the next line. Now write parts. 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 OF. Of. THE. The. COMPUTER. Computer. Parts of the computer. What you have to write? Parts of the computer. While writing, your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Come to the next line. Write number 1. Spelling of monitor. MONI. TOR. Monitor. Same as you have to write here also. MONI. TOR. Monitor. Come to the next line. Number 2. Spelling of keyboard. KEY. Key. BOARD. Board. Keyboard. Same keyboard you have to write here also. I'm just making a dot here and you have to write here keyboard. Come to the next line. Number 3. CPU. CPU. C.P.U. CPU. Here you have to write again CPU. Number 4. Mouse. 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 Again you have to write here MOUSE. Mouse. Number 5. Speaker. SPEA. SPEAker. Speaker. SPEA. SPEAker. Speaker. Here you have to write speaker. While writing this work, you have to repeat the parts of the computer, same as given below. For example, you are writing spelling of monitor. You will say MONITOR. Monitor. And I also hope you will do your homework in neat and clean handwriting. That's all for today. Have a good day.